Alright, so what's going on, guys? Chris here, just with another video, and today I'm really excited. Yesterday I got this in the mail, but it was raining, so I really didn't want to bring it out in the rain and show you guys. But here it is, the part that I've been waiting for a couple weeks. It's from C2 Carter's Customs, and it's gonna fit it's gonna look really dope under this. So this is for the Terminator bumper. And they do have setups for the regular New Edge bumper, and they also sell, or Carter himself sells the side splitters for the, I think the Terminator rocker panels and the New Edge. I don't know if they're the same, but he also has for the 99 to 01, the regular 99 to 04 GT bumpers, and the 03, 04 front bumpers, the race, and then the street splitter. So I'm actually thinking about, once I find a new bumper, because of this, I'm gonna probably hit them up and get the front chin spoiler as well. It looks really good. So there you go. That's your daytime. I took my Magic Drift chin spoiler off because it took a lot of damage as well. But anyways, let's open this box and let's see what this is. So I'm not gonna install it today, but I'm just gonna give you kind of a brief, I guess what it looked like, because I'm really curious too. So this is the first time I'm actually pulling it out of the box. So it's already set up, pretty much. So there you go. It looks really dope. It says Carter's Customs on the side. It says it on both sides too. So essentially, it's gonna sit this way. So there's a mounting hole. There's another. So pretty much from what I was told is he test fits these on the car before he ships them out to make sure they fit, I guess, on his car, or he has a tester car, I'm not sure. But anyways, let's see. So I don't want to like scratch it up, so I kick the box over here. See, my only issue was that I was afraid it wouldn't be able to fit because I have the quad tips, which I would not get rid of. But anyways, so it's essentially it's really hard to tell, but it's gonna look like that. That's gonna look so nice on this car. This is definitely gonna change the look of the car a lot, especially from the rear. I think the favorite part of my car is probably the rear, just because the bumper, no one else around here really has it. I know there's plenty of people out there with Mustangs that have the rear bumper where the letters are filled in. It's just a Cobra rear bumper. It's an OEM, it's not aftermarket. I know you can buy them aftermarket, they're fiberglass, so everyone that keeps asking me, it's just an OEM bumper. And you can take it to any shop. I took it to a shop and they filled in the letters. I don't know the process, so I can't tell you that. I paid $500 for them to fill it in and to be painted as well. And then it's dirty, but for the quad tips, I trimmed this. This was like 2 years ago. I trimmed that the best I could, and then had the quad tips welded on. Same with this one. Cut, welded. So let's look far back. Yeah, that's gonna look really dope. Once installed with the Netto rear tires, and then once this car is all cleaned up, that's gonna look so freaking damn good. I need license plate ideas, license plate frames. I definitely need to change that. I've had that for like 4 or 5 years now. And I really just wanna I wanna add the carbon fiber Terminator spoiler, but they're still on stock. I've had this for like 4 years. My taillights need to be cleaned. But yeah, guys, I can't wait to install that. That's what I've been talking about for a couple weeks, and it's gonna look so damn good under there. And I'm really thinking if I can find a 99 Cobra front bumper or 99 to 01, they're the same, for a good price, get it painted, and then I think I would definitely pull the trigger and get the front splitter to match up for the rear. And it's not like the ABS plastic, it's actually like, I think it's like metal or aluminum or something like that. But if you go on their website or just his Instagram, it's worth it. It really looks good. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little surprise. Man, I can't get over how good that's gonna look. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for future content, and follow the build. And for everyone wondering where like Mike's car is and stuff like that, he's been busy, I've been busy, and I'm just busting out grinding videos in my free time when I can. So it's really hard to link up with like Cedric too with his car. I know he has a lot going on, but you know, it's just a lot to get this car ready for Mustang Week. So I'm grinding out videos. Thank you for watching. I will catch you later. Have a great one.